Hi, I'm Vince Palazzo, Principal Solutions Architect for Media and Entertainment at AWS. What you will see in this demo is content compliance with agents, which showcases how to leverage AWS and Amazon Bedrock's advanced video understanding capabilities to streamline content compliance reviews and media supply chain operations. Now, whether it's broadcast watershed and indecency and obscenity regulations, language restrictions, content rating requirements, technical quality control, accessibility requirements, brand safety guidelines, the list of compliance requirements goes on and on. Broadcasters and streaming platforms today struggle with manual content compliance reviews. This demo uses AI to analyze media content against compliance standards powered by Amazon Bedrock and Amazon Nova's foundation models. Amazon Bedrock's video understanding and multi-agent capabilities are leveraged to reduce manual effort, save time, and ensure consistent compliance, benefiting both small and large content creators. Our team has developed a solution that allows for content providers the ability to navigate complex global standards with confidence. The solution adapts seamlessly to varying regional rating systems, providing detailed compliance analysis with confidence scores for each market. This intelligent system can assess content against multiple frameworks simultaneously, delivering consistent ratings while considering cultural nuances and specific regional requirements. Each analysis includes comprehensive justification and documentation, ensuring transparent decision making across markets. Now let's go check out the demo. Within the Content Compliance UI, a broadcast operator or compliance officer can navigate through the dashboard to simplify the process for analyzing media assets for compliance. Let's walk through arranging the rating categories in the model configuration in the settings area. As you can see, we have a default house rating categories to be used for content analysis. You could add custom categories beyond the default ones provided. As Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that offers a choice of high-performing foundation models, the solution is developed to provide users with a freedom of choice of models for the full video level analysis as with the frame level analysis. This is entirely configurable. You have the choice in the full video level analysis to choose between Nova Lite, Pro, and Premiere for that native video understanding. For the frame level analysis, in addition to Nova, you have the choice to select between Anthropic Claude's models. When it comes to analyzing the video, for music videos and the high dynamic nature of them, you can analyze these at 3 frames per second or even 1. For the purpose of the demo, I'm going to leave this at 3. I'll set the other categories to 1. Now that the configuration page is set, let's kick off the analysis of a video. As you can see, we already have the pre-selections from the config tab being used. Now, when uploading an asset, you could select from the options of content type, which range from music video, trailer, film, episodic content, news. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to analyze a movie trailer, but you do have the option to process multiple hour-long films. Now, once the file is uploaded to Amazon S3, an AWS Lambda function is triggered to generate the metadata required for the workflow. It'll kick off an ingest workflow where the parallel process is the transcript generation, and then the video components are going to be passed through Amazon Bedrock as well as Amazon Nova, including that trailer that was just generated. Now, I'm going to treat this a bit like a cooking show and jump forward to some of the analysis results. Now, within the analysis results for the media asset, you're going to be presented with one playable proxy, which you could scrub through. And again, you have the transcript presented in VTT format. Now, these input sources were then used to analyze against, for one, the general rating system. Now, for this demo, I had a custom regional rating system of adult 18 plus that it returned. We're going to have the house rating systems that we had entered earlier, as well as the default content moderation flags of violence, adult content, hate speech, self-harm, profanity, drugs and alcohol references. There's also some additional details that I had prompted for as well, such as the visual content assessment and anything that popped out in the transcript here of note. Shot summary tab is going to be that extraction of 1 frame per second compiled into individual shots, as well as a prompt to get some high-level details such as detected flags and visual content assessment. The timeline report shows the results of the frame level analysis that were done using Claude 3.7 Sonnet. The timeline report is going to show a roll-up of those moderation flags that were detected. as well as a timeline review. I can verify all this by selecting an image and validating that. I'll also jump to the individual timestamp within the video
Is skipping
and
the
play.
North Pole this Christmas and is going.
Now, where the Bedrock Agents comes in, this can be the validation tab. The rights validation leverages Amazon Bedrock knowledge bases to one, pull through a man manifest that I have, as well as the rights database, and providing the verification status from rights, not only from the territory rights, but as well as the title and usage rights. The QC validation tab is used to validate the language. So when receiving a localized version from a vendor, you want to make sure that the delivered file matches what was ordered. The agent then verifies the language code of the file name to the language detected in the transcript. The analysis cost displays a roll-up of not only the total analysis, but the processing time into a little bit more of a granular breakdown. So you're going to have the video level analysis, the frame level analysis, as well as the cost for transcription, if you didn't choose to include it. Some optional analysis in here as well is the agent workflow, as well as the shot detection. The architecture tab provides an overview of the services that are used, as well as a workflow diagram and any additional technical information. There's also a link to the blog post that we had authored on this. Now, this concludes the demo, and thank you for watching.